Today, we're taking a tour of the Park Lane model home by Pulte. Let's take a look.
Welcome to the Park Lane model, offering 2,486 square feet of beautifully designed living space with the option to add a finished or unfinished basement. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home is thoughtfully centered around a spacious kitchen and open floor plan, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The fireplace in the main living area serves as a stunning focal point, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Customize this home to fit your lifestyle with available upgrades such as covered patio, finished basement, additional one-car garage, center sliding glass doors, and even an interior or exterior fireplace option.